Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video I'm going to show you how to test a Bolex H-16 Reflex film camera and similar models. First thing you want to do is on the frames per second counter, this is going to set the speed of the motor. It's a dial it turns, and we're going to turn it to 18. So 18 right here, there's a little dot on the top of the chrome. To set to the 18, this is so that you will not damage the camera's motor without having film loaded in it when you test it. Next, what you're going to want to do is open the film door. So this lever, flip it up, push it in slightly, turn it counterclockwise just a touch, and lift it up. The inside of the door should be facing up. This is because you want to keep this part of the inside of the camera clean and keep this part of the camera clean. Next, you want to wind the camera. There are markings here, a long hole in the winder arm and a notch here on the winder arm. Flip this out, and by the way, this does extend, if you wish, just like so. Flip it out, and it takes 21.5 cranks counterclockwise. When it gets tight, stop. Bolex claims you cannot break it, but you can. Flip the arm out. There's a pin at the bottom of here, and you can insert the arm through there. Now, you can simply press the film button, which is located here. Press it in. And you have another film button. You can actually press this one back towards the M, and it will lock for continuous filming. Next, you want to show the customer the inside workings of the camera while testing it. So, over here, remember, is the film button on the front you can press. And press it and show that what's moving needs to be moving to circulate the film inside. So press the button. You can see here, there's movement. Here, as well as from the take-up spool. Make sure you finish doing this, you wind it all the way down. This is a spring motor. It takes no batteries, and you do not want to store this camera away with a spring fully wound. It will damage the spring motor. That's it. So you just tested a Bolex H-16 reflex camera, including some. Sellers, you're welcome to share my video, and buyers, you're welcome to share my video to the sellers when conducting business and making your sales and purchases of the Bolex H series cameras. Just like this one that I'm currently servicing, do understand that once a customer receives, or customers when you receive them, unless it has come from a service center, it is specified it has been fully CLA'd, clean, lubed, and adjustment made, including an overhaul, then you're going to have to pay at a minimum of $200 to have the CLA performed on your camera and very possibly an overhaul before you can run film through it and make any movies. Alright, so do keep this in mind. Sellers, keep this in mind when pricing these Bolex cameras and what you're selling. Alright, hope you've enjoyed it and hope this helps you out. And you're welcome to share my video here again in selling and buying Bolex H-16 and similar model celluloid film cameras. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. See ya!